thinking that. Any questions that anyone has got for either of the two speakers? Someone said, or I think it came up in an earlier meeting, that essentially one of the problems with identifying microbes is, of course, it's a moving target. They're constantly changing. It's the same sort of thing here, isn't it? There is a constant change, not only the possibility of unknowns, but more and more and more unknowns. Tim?
Yes, that is indeed the case, and I think one of the key problems, and I think it was clear from my presentation also, is that we are really dependent on information on what is developed on the one hand, because if we do not have the information, we do not know what to look for. Yes. And if you do not know what you're looking for, then it is essentially impossible to detect it. Although perhaps we would be able to develop tools, but no one would be able to use them because they would be too costly.
Yeah. But do you think it is feasible to get to the point where even a continual string of unknowns coming in, we would be able to keep up with it?
Well, it's hard to say. I would not really say I'm sure we would. I think we have to consider, on the one hand, what is, let's say, the authorized and where information is available. If we get all this information, I think it is more a matter of how much resources we are willing to invest in detection, and also how much improvements we can make in, let's say, cost efficiency, that is like multiplexing, things like that. But there's still a lot of potential for cost efficiency improvements, I think.
Right. Any question? If not, we'll go on to the next speaker. Okay, thank you both very much indeed. Well, this is the final speaker now before lunch. Research funding delivers added value in many areas. That's the intention of it. So we're going to hear now from a young scientist about what you might call the social and educational results, in addition to the purely scientific results, which all EC-funded projects are designed to deliver. So Dr. Sol Schwarzman was born in Argentina, completed her first degree in Spain, then her PhD in Ireland, and is now working actually on bioinformatics at University College in Cork. And she's going to talk about capacity building through research, the added value. Dr. Schwarzman.